what the job of the leader of the opposition is.
हमारे लड़ना है आपको।
मणिपुर को आपने जला दिया है। जब आपने अग्निवीर लागू किया, लैटरल एंट्री कर 70 बार आपने पेपर लीक करवाया है, पूरे देश का अंगूठा काटने में लगे हुए हो। मिडिल क्लास के एक छुरा पीठ में मारा, दूसरा छुरा छाती। यंगस्टर्स फ्रॉम संबल केम टू सी मी, इनोसेंट पीपल, दे हैड डन नथिंग। 5 लोगों को गोली मार के हत्या कर दी।
इट्स माई राइट टू गो देयर टू सी व्हाट्स गोइंग ऑन। मेरा अधिकार है ये।
We cannot afford a prime minister who does not have the guts to say from here that Donald Trump is a liar. Our farmers have been left to the mercy. Our textiles have been wiped out. Our energy security has been handed over. You have sold our mother, Bharat Mata. Are you not ashamed of yourself? This meeting is not a political meeting. It is about discussing India's education system. What is wrong with India's education system? What needs to be corrected in India's education system? If the India alliance was negotiating with President Trump, if you want access to this data, you are going to talk to us as an equal. आप चक्रव्यूह बना देते हो, हम चक्रव्यूह तोड़ने का काम करते हैं. We have to start building a production network, challenge the Chinese and participate in the revolution and defeat the Chinese. Most of our cities are living under a blanket of poisonous air. It's important that the government develops a plan for how to get rid of air pollution in our cities.
आपको लगता है कि आपको काटे?
We want you to come to Andaman, sir.
See what is happening.
We can do it. There is no need to cut rainforests. I've seen it. Because around the INS bars, there is plenty of land that you can expand. You're not going to be able to recover this once it's gone. My job is to be leader of the opposition, to represent all these parties equally.
जाति जनगणना इस हाउस में, इस सदन में पास करके हम आपको दिखाएंगे। When you destroy the vote, you destroy the fabric of this country. Vote chori is an anti-national act, and those across the aisle are doing an anti-national act. Hidden behind the women's bill was the delimitation. This is nothing to do with the empowerment of women. इसको हमने हरा दिया है. After becoming LOP, my personal dreams, my personal aspirations, my personal fears have to be put aside. And I have to treat every single party with love and affection.
And if you were to ask me 5 years from now, do you consider yourself successful? I would look at these 3 things. I would say, have I helped bring the idea of love into the forefront of Indian politics? Have I helped make politicians and others, and myself in particular, more humble? Have I increased the respect that Indian people have with each other? Those would be the values that I would be thinking about.